What's up, Struk Squad? Today we're gonna be doing the most annoying thing you have ever heard in your life. And honestly, I feel kind of bad for the neighbors here and the neighbors over there because this sound is so annoying. So unless you've been living under a rock, you should know what one of these things are. But you know what? This thing, it's a little bit too small. So like I said, we aren't using this garbage. We're using this big boy. And today we have a total of 8 of these ginormous screaming chickens. So we're gonna do 1 of them, and then we're gonna do 3, and then we're gonna do 5, and then we're gonna do all 8 at the same time. Let me tell you, these things are loud. Very, very loud. And very annoying. All right, so our first victim today is gonna be this giant red chicken. As you can see, it says hug me, but instead we are going to squish him. And we are going to make you scream. All right, this is gonna be it, buddy. Get ready to scream. All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was definitely annoying, but now we're gonna do 2 of them. All right, buddy, you did a good job the first time. Now, you have to do just as well. We have to make this the most annoying scream YouTube has ever heard. Also, right before I do the second one, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, okay? All right, 3, 2, 1. Now it's time we step this up a notch, and we're gonna do 4 screaming chickens this time. So we are literally doubling the screaming power of the last 2. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. This is gonna be so loud. Done. Also, quick update, the neighbors haven't got angry yet, so we're gonna keep going. Like usual, we're gonna add 2 more chickens, so this time we're gonna have 6 screaming chickens. 3, 2, 1. So it is now time to place the final 2 chickens to make 8 screaming chickens. And trust me, this will be the most annoying sound YouTube has ever heard. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Definitely has to be one of the most annoying things you have ever heard, and probably the most annoying thing you've ever seen on YouTube. We have successfully made 8 screaming chickens go as loud as they possibly can at the same time, and managed to not get the neighbors angry at me. So this has been your boy Eric Struk. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to join the Struk Squad. Make sure you guys hit that like button and come back in a few days for the next video. Anyways, peace out. I said it's f***ing payday, motherfucker!